AI-powered policing in Hyderabad, Pakistan. In a remarkable step toward modernizing law enforcement, the Hyderabad Police have taken a bold initiative to integrate artificial intelligence into policing and criminal investigations. Under the visionary directives of Honorable SSP Hyderabad, Mr. Adil Hussain Chandio, a comprehensive AI-powered policing workshop was organized at the police headquarters Hyderabad. The purpose of this session was to introduce police officers to cutting-edge applications of artificial intelligence that can assist in identifying suspicious deaths, tracing criminal activities, and strengthening investigation processes with data-driven precision. The special guest speaker of the session was Mr. Ghulam Farooque, a renowned name in the field of artificial intelligence, the first-place American awardee by the Coalition for Global Hepatitis Elimination, GCHE-USA, and a leading AI technologist in Pakistan. Mr. Farooque is also the additional director of artificial intelligence, research and postgraduate affairs at the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, and a PhD research scholar in artificial intelligence at Marconi, Italy. During his engaging presentation, Mr. Farooque highlighted how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing every sector, and how its integration in policing can lead to smarter, faster, and more accurate criminal investigations. He explained that AI can process thousands of data points within seconds, detect behavioral patterns, and assist investigation officers in recognizing hidden links between evidence, suspects, and crime scenes. He emphasized that AI-driven crime analytics can play a vital role in identifying suspicious deaths and murder cases by analyzing medical, digital, and behavioral data together. Mr. Farooque further elaborated that through the use of AI-powered facial recognition systems, it will soon be possible to detect and trace wanted individuals, even within a large public gathering or crowded environment. He also proposed integrating CCTV surveillance systems across the Hyderabad district with AI-based detection algorithms capable of real-time monitoring and alert generation. This intelligent system, he said, would enable law enforcement agencies to track criminal movements, analyze traffic patterns, and ensure public safety through predictive policing techniques. The workshop was attended by a large number of police officers from across Hyderabad district, who showed great interest and enthusiasm in learning about these new technological possibilities. Officers actively engaged with Mr. Farooque during the Q&A session, discussing the practical implementation of AI in day-to-day investigations, crime scene analysis, and forensic evidence assessment. Speaking on the occasion, Honorable SSP Hyderabad, Mr. Adil Hussain Chandio, appreciated the efforts of Mr. Ghulam Farooque and expressed his commitment to transforming Hyderabad into a model city for AI-oriented policing. He said that the integration of artificial intelligence is not just an innovation, it's a necessity for ensuring transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the police system. He further announced that such AI training and awareness sessions would continue regularly as part of a broader initiative titled AI-Oriented Policing for a Crime-Free Hyderabad. In his concluding remarks, Mr. Ghulam Farooque extended his full cooperation to Hyderabad Police and assured continuous technical support for future AI-based projects. He said that Pakistan's law enforcement system has great potential, and with the right use of artificial intelligence, the investigation process can become evidence-based, predictive, and truly transformative. The event ended with a note of optimism that the collaboration between technology experts and police authorities will mark the beginning of a new digital era in policing, where crimes will not just be investigated, but predicted and prevented before they occur. This workshop stands as a historic milestone in the journey toward intelligent law enforcement, setting an example for other districts across the country to follow. The vision of SSP Adil Hussain Chandio and the expertise of Mr. Ghulam Farooque have together ignited a movement toward AI-powered policing for a safer, smarter, and crime-free Hyderabad.